Hi everybody, this is Osprey from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol KBIO. This stock has been a super high flyer. There's been this huge move from down here off of low of day on the 16th to all the way up here, hitting a high of 45.82. I mean, this is just an incredible run. As you can see, there was this giant gap from the close on the 18th here to the open on the 19th, and then the 19th, 20th, and 23rd candles formed above the upper Bollinger Band. So yeah, there's multiple gaps in this chart. So you have three gaps in a row and three candles in a row forming above the upper Bollinger Band. Currently at 22 at 0.618. The first level of support is EMA4 at 22.068, and then the second level of support is EMA8 at 14.086. Okay, so and as long as the middle Bollinger Band down here at 4746, way down there at 4746 holds, the uptrend should continue. I mean, this is just an insane run. As you can see, Fasto is back up here with the bull cross and in the above 80 overbought power zone, and then you have RSI way up here at 97.75. Check out the volume bars. This is really interesting. Notice how they've been increasing as the share price has been going up. I mean, look at all the volume on Monday. Wow. Over 17 million shares traded, and the price range was way up here from the high 20s into the or what was the low a day from yeah, 21 all the way to up to 45. So just incredible. Incredible. So look down here at MACD. This is a red flag. I mean, okay, so the multiple gaps up are a red flag, and then forming the candles above the upper Bollinger Band. These are just things that are showing that the chart is frothy. I mean, this goes without stating. I mean, you have Fasto and RSI at overbought levels, and then if you look down here at MACD, check out how steep the MACD line is. That's the green line here. When you see this type of trajectory, it is unsustainable. So this is signaling that this current move, of course, I mean, from 50 cents all the way to 45, I mean, the party's not going to last forever. Doesn't take Einstein to figure that out. All right, look at this next chart here. This is the weekly chart, and this is going to show, instead of the last chart was a daily chart, instead of each candle representing 1 day of trading, each candle on this chart represents 1 week of trading. So this is a 3-year chart, nearly 3-year chart. And if you look here at January of 2014, okay, the close here on the second week of January 2014, that's this white candle here. And that's a little hard to see on this chart, but that is the key level to close above. As you can see, that was the high of day today. So bulls, if you want to see this party continue, what's going to happen is there needs to be a close above this 45.82. Bulls want to see candles forming above 46. If you can turn this red horizontal line into support, then we can post another chart showing resistance from 2013. So yeah, this is just an incredible move. I mean, look at this, a multi-year downtrend, and all that's gained back in 2 days. I mean, just incredible. If you look here at this volume from Friday, I mean, that's just insane volume. For last week, this is a weekly chart. So last week there was monster volume, and then you're starting off this week with 17 million on the first day. So this is record volume for KBIO. And then once again, if you look down here on MACD, okay, not only is the MACD line steep on the daily chart, it's also super steep on the weekly chart. This is unsustainable. this trajectory can't go on forever. This is when I say this looks like Mount Everest, and yeah, eventually this is going to fall back down. So if you look up here, KBIO is also overbought on RSI at 91.55, very high up here on RSI, and then also overbought on Fasto at 86.07. As you can see, the other peaks here, KBIO has a history of not being able to maintain above 80 on the weekly chart on Fasto. So, this is a history, a multi-year history of that. So this is the spike above that level, you know. So now we're looking, overbought and overextended on the daily chart, and overbought and overextended on the weekly chart. And then if you look here at the last chart, this is the 15-minute chart. And this is what day traders. This was what most traders are really concerned about, are the intraday charts. And as you can see here, there's been this nice uptrend. This is a 15-minute chart. Each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. This is a 2-day chart, and as you can see, the candles have been riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher, and the middle Bollinger Band support higher. So as you can see, when the middle Bollinger Band was tested on Friday, there was this close below, but then there was a gap up open above the middle Bollinger Band on Monday, and this gap up open, this signaled that the bulls were back in control. And as you can see here, candles were forming above EMA 8 the entire day, all the way here. They rode it all the way into the close. And even with this consolidation, after 45 was hit early, there was this consolidation period. It looked like at 2:15 that EMA 8 was starting to break, and then you had a middle Bollinger Band test, and there was a bounce off of there. And so here there was a close here right at the middle Bollinger Band and EMA's 4 and 8. They are all very close to the same level. The middle Bollinger Band at 37, currently at 37.88, is the key level to hold. So bulls, what you want to look at for tomorrow is you want to have this 15-minute chart open, and you want to look to see if candles are still forming above the middle Bollinger Band on the 15-minute chart. If the candles are still forming above the middle Bollinger Band, continue to ride the bull. The the bullish Bollinger Band channel is open. And yeah, as long as that support level holds. If this support level breaks, it's going to equal downside risk. So yeah, bulls do not want to see candles forming below the middle Bollinger Band. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands have tightened into the close. If the middle Bollinger Band breaks, look for this lower Bollinger Band at 1380 to be the next support level. There was a close with a volume spike down here, and then at 2 o'clock there was a MACD bearish crossover. The green line crossed the red line to the downside. So bulls, what you want to look for now, if there's a bearish crossover, that's signaling possible. That's what happened with the consolidation here. You want to see the green line cross over the red line again for a MACD bull cross to signal more upside. If you look over here on the on Friday, there was the bear cross over here at 12:45, and then right at the open, as you can see, when there was this open above the middle Bollinger Band, look what happened to MACD. There was a bull cross, and so that signaled that the bulls were in control, just like this did. So just like the candles forming above the EMA's 4 and 8. So that's what you want to look for tomorrow, bulls. KBIO did close with Fasto in the bull zone between 50 and 80, and in the bull zone on RSI between 50 and 70. So there is juice to run on both these indicators before it is in the above the overbought zone. Okay, KBIO. Be sure to look for our charts tomorrow and check out our website at mychartcoach.com. And yeah, we have more educational information every day. We're posting winning trade opportunities and educational information on charting and trading. Okay, thank you.